Here we have an iPhone X motherboard with 64GB storage. And we need to upgrade the storage from 64GB to 256GB. Let's assemble the phone and test. We can see current storage capacity here, 64GB. We need to back up the underlying data of the original 64GB NAND first. We will use iRepair DFU box today to back up the data without removing the NAND flash chip. Connect iRepair DFU box to the computer. Then connect the phone with iRepair DFU box. Put the phone into DFU mode. Click DFU model. The phone will enter into purple mode. Continue to click Query Info to check the underlying data. Then click Backups as CFG to back up the underlying data. Once done, click Exit Recovery Mode, Exit Diagnosis. Disconnect the phone. The phone will turn on automatically. Disconnect the battery and remove the display assembly. Take out the motherboard. Attach the motherboard to the PCB holder. Stick high-temperature tape on components around NAND. Remove black adhesive around NAND with hot air gun at 330 degrees Celsius, airflow 45. Once done, keep the nozzle close to the NAND and heat with hot air gun at 420 degrees Celsius, airflow 65 for about 30 seconds. Pry up the NAND flash chip carefully. Apply medium temp solder paste to the bonding pad with soldering iron at 365 degrees Celsius. Clean the bonding pad carefully. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Continue to heat with hot air gun at 330 degrees Celsius. Remove residual black adhesive on the bonding pad. Then clean the pad thoroughly with rosin soaked solder wick. Once done, clean with PCB cleaner. Place the brand new 256GB NAND on the repair platform. Get the BGA reballing stencil in position. Smear a medium temp solder paste evenly on the stencil. Heat with hot air gun at 330 degrees Celsius, airflow 45. So that all solder balls can shape up completely. Once completed, wait for 1 minute. Then separate the non-flash chip from the stencil. Heat again to ensure the formation of solder balls. Apply some BGA paste flux to the bonding pad. Get the 256GB NAND in the right position. Solder with hot air gun at 380 degrees Celsius, airflow 45. Once done, wait for the motherboard to cool for 5 minutes. Get the motherboard installed. And display assembly connected. Connect the battery. Connect the phone with computer. Restore the phone with the help of 3U tools. Once finished, the phone turns on automatically. Since the original NAND data hasn't been written to the 256GB NAND. The serial number here is WL NAND. Connect iRepair DFU box to the computer. Then connect the phone with iRepair DFU box. Put the phone into DFU mode. Click DFU model. The phone will enter into purple mode. Continue to click Restore Data. Write the underlying data stored in the computer to the 256GB NAND. Once done, click Query Info to check the underlying data. Tips: if the Wi-Fi module has been replaced during the repair process, we can click the Unlock Wi-Fi button here to unbind Wi-Fi directly. In this way, we needn't remove the non-flash chip. Once finished, click Exit Recovery Mode, Exit Diagnosis. Disconnect the phone. The phone turns on automatically. Insert the SIM card. Connect the phone to the computer. Activate the phone directly with 3U tools. The storage capacity has been upgraded to 256 GB successfully. Spread out the dialer board and make a phone call. All going well. iPhone X storage upgrade has been completed successfully. Tips: once the underlying data has been written to the new non-flash chip, if the phone cannot activate normally, we can just restore the phone.